Are your videos and YouTube channels not as captivating as you want them to be? The way you get people interested depends on what your channel is about. Do you tell cool stories, teach interesting things, or make your viewers super excited? Hey, future YouTube superstar, ready to make your videos awesome? Let's chat about 3 things to avoid and make your channel even more fantastic.
Oh my God! Wow!
1. Tell a fun story. Imagine your video is like a magical storybook. Instead of just talking, tell a story. Use words to create pictures and take your viewers on an adventure. Make them feel like they're part of something amazing. 2. Create a special look. Have you ever seen a video where everything looks messy? Not cool, right? Make your YouTube channel special by choosing colors that go together like peanut butter and jelly. Think about your favorite colors and use them to make your channel look awesome. 3. Write great titles and descriptions. A title is like the cover of your video storybook. Make it exciting. And the description is like the back cover that tells what the story is about. Write something that makes people go, wow, I want to watch this. 4. Be a color wizard. Pretend you have a magic wand for colors. Pick colors that make your viewers happy. Too many boring colors or ones that clash can make people leave your video faster than a rocket. 5. Have a catchy channel name. Your channel name is like your superhero identity. Make it catchy and easy to remember. Avoid boring names that make people go, huh? What was that again? Let your channel name sparkle like a shooting star. Sector 6. Add fun music. What's a good story without awesome music? Find tunes that match your video's mood. It could be happy, adventurous, or mysterious. Music makes everything more exciting, like a dance party for your videos. 7. Use fun fonts. Imagine if all your words look the same. How boring. Choose fun fonts for your titles and words. It's like dressing up your words in cool outfits. Make sure people enjoy reading what you have to say. 8. Engage with your viewers. Be a friendly host in your video world. Respond to comments, ask questions, and make your viewers feel part of your adventure. It's like having a big group of friends who love watching your videos. 9. Plan your videos. Before filming, plan what you want to say and show. It's like making a treasure map for your viewers. A well-planned video keeps everyone excited and interested. 10. Create a unique thumbnail. Your video thumbnail is like the first page of your storybook. Make it interesting and eye-catching. Use pictures and colors that make people go, I have to see what's inside. Remember, the more fun you have, the more fun your viewers will have too. So, grab your camera, put on your creative hat, and let the YouTube magic begin. Don't forget to check out my channel. When I started, I was all over the place, but I did one thing right from the start. I focused on branding and made 10 awesome videos.